In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Windows 11 installer that's stuck at 46%. If you've started upgrading or installing Windows 11 and the progress bar just won't move past 46%, don't panic. This is a fairly common issue, and in most cases, it's caused by a temporary glitch, a driver conflict, or something blocking the installer in the background. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through what you can do to get the installation moving again, and hopefully avoid having to start all over. First, give the installer enough time. Windows upgrades can appear frozen, especially around certain percentages, even though they're still working in the background. If it has only been 10 or 15 minutes, let it run longer. Ideally, wait at least an hour before assuming it's truly stuck, especially if you're on a slower hard drive or a laptop. If it has clearly been stuck for a long time with no drive activity and no changes on screen, go ahead and perform a restart. Hold down the power button until the machine shuts off. Wait a few seconds and then power it back on. Many times, Windows will automatically resume the installation process or roll back to the previous version. If it offers to resume the install, choose that option and see if it gets past 46% this time. Once you're back in Windows, prepare the system before trying the upgrade again. Close all running applications, especially antivirus tools or system optimization software, as these can interfere with the installer. If you have a third-party antivirus, temporarily disable it, or consider uninstalling it just for the duration of the upgrade, and plan to reinstall it afterward. Next, make sure your device drivers and Windows updates are current. Open the Settings app, go to Windows Update, and install any pending updates. Then, update key drivers like your graphics, storage, and network drivers from either Windows Update or your hardware manufacturer's website. Outdated or buggy drivers are a frequent cause of installations hanging at a specific percentage. Before you start the installer again, disconnect any non-essential USB devices. This includes external hard drives, printers, USB hubs, and anything else you don't absolutely need. Leave only your keyboard, mouse, and monitor connected. Sometimes the installer gets stuck trying to handle external storage or older USB peripherals. Now, run the Windows 11 installer again, ideally using the official installation assistant or media creation tool from Microsoft. Follow the prompts just like before, and keep an eye on the progress. With background apps closed, drivers updated, and unnecessary devices unplugged, there's a much better chance it will move smoothly past that 46% mark. If it completes successfully, give your PC a couple of restarts and check that everything works as expected. That's how you troubleshoot a Windows 11 installer that gets stuck at 46%.